Hello video creators. Welcome to HitPaw channel. As we know, videos are added logos or texts to protect the copyright of the original videos, which causes bad visual effects of the video. There are ways we can use to remove watermark for personal use. I have showed you how to remove watermark by using desktop software. But in case you don't want to download any softwares, I will show you 2 ways to erase watermark online without downloading or installing any softwares. Before watching, I would really appreciate it if you can hit the subscribe button, it will be a great help for the channel. Alright, now let's get started. The first method is to use HitPaw Online Watermark Remover. If you search HitPaw on Google, you can easily find the link in the search result page. Or type in hitpaw.com and enter the website directly. Then find Online Tools. Inside Video Tools, click on Remove Watermark. Then we will be directed to a new page. Here click on Remove Watermark now, you will see the interface of it. We import the video. The box here is for us to select the watermark. All we need to do is to place it above the watermark. And we can drag the outline of the box to change its size. The box setting is here. We may change its duration. If there are more than one watermark, we can also add multiple boxes by dragging the cursor. And place them anywhere we want. If you don't need so many, we can easily close them. Click the play button, we can preview the video. Now hit save. The tool will be processing the removal. One thing to mention is that the online tool can only support videos under 20 megabytes. If you need to deal with larger files, you will need to use the professional desktop version. After the process, we can watch the result. As you can see that the logo has been removed successfully. That's what we want. Then we can click share to copy the share link. Or download it on your computer. Now let's look at the second method. Type in 123apps.com and enter the website. Here are many media tools you can find. We are using one of them, which is called Remove Logo. Click on it. Yes, an ad pops up. Just close it. Now import the video. We can drag the cursor to select the area we want to remove from the video. Similar with what we did on HitPaw Online Watermark Remover. We can preview the video. Add more boxes. The video format can be changed here. I will keep the MP4 format. Click on this preview button, we can get a 5-second video. We can check the result. If it is okay with you, we can then click Save to export the full video. As you can see that the results of the 2 methods are quite similar. They all removed the watermark successfully. However, there are also some restrictions for the second tool. We can only use 10 files per day and the speed will be slower. If you want to process larger files or videos with moving watermark, I recommend you using professional HitPaw watermark remover. You can watch my previous videos to learn more about how to remove complex watermark in moving watermark. Okay, then these are the two methods to remove watermark online. If this video helps, please subscribe us and give us big thumbs up. It will be a great help for the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.